not your enemy. Get out there and and shake a little something outside of brunch. You know what I mean?
All right. So what's tea? I just uploaded a video to YouTube about my fashion show. If you haven't watched it, please do. Outside of that, I've been looking for a journal, and that's just me being honest. And I know the girls have all began to journal because I can't find what used to be my 2, 3, even 4, maybe even $5 journals anywhere. In the places that I have found them, just take a wild guess as to how much they are now. $30, $32. And I think it's quite ridiculous because I love that journal. And if you're anything like me and you're a stationery snob, um, that hurts. That hurts me because I'm not trying to spend $30 on no journal. But at the same time, I want to find another journal that feels good to the touch, the paper underneath my hands, but also doesn't, or rather has a high quality paper, So we're about to go into Barnes and Nobles, which I'm parked in front of right now, and see what the girls can see. So yeah. All right. So I've gotten the goods that I needed to get. As you all saw, and I read in there. I read the Jeanette McCurdy book, or started reading it rather, and I think I want to get it. And then I signed up for the Barnes and Noble's rewards little joint, whatever. But she's got a quang. Got my new journal. And while I was talking all that mess about spending $30 on a journal, although I didn't spend $30 on a journal, I did spend 22. I did spend 22 on this baby, but whatever. Girl had to be purchased. She had to. Oh my gosh. She got it. She got it. I got it. I'm so freaking happy that I got this. I really wasn't expecting to even see this. This is a book. Regardless of what I may believe, or regardless of what I've been taught, magazine is a form of literature, and I'm going to utilize it as such, and I'm going to delight in the fact that I got my hands on a British Vogue, because honestly, truly, I got what I came for. Oh, that's Rihanna's song. Hey, babe, this is what you came for. Yeah. Somebody, yes, indeed. I'm looking at the monitor and I need to focus. Okay, clearly I'm outside. It's a beautiful day. And let me step into the sun so you can really see. Is it gonna focus? There we go. She's looking gorgy, gorgy, gorgy. Of course, we have sun protection on the face. Um, a little light beat, just some brows, nothing major, and my Nike sweatsuit. I'll try to get some footage because we are going to the domain. Um, and just, oh, also going to a sneaker exchange store because I got some dunks for Christmas and they are not my size. So those need to be returned. And yeah, just going to the domain, which is an outdoor shopping center. So it's got everything from Nordstrom to freaking H&M, Express, Lush, Sephora, eateries, bars, all types of shenanigans. And yeah, just about to pop out there. It rained last night, so there's a bit of a breeze for it to be like this time of year, but it's perfect because I could wear this hat and not be hot, but also still look cute. Um, I'm gonna put on some shades because I have in my contacts, but yeah, just wanted to pop in and say what's good. All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm about to be like that vehicle right there on the GO. So I am about to go to hike a little bit. I'm going to a state park here, and because I'm a veteran, I get access to all the parks. did some sprints and I jogged all the way back down here from the front, walking, hiking, running. You gotta be very, very particular up in here in this here Nike app. Let me make sure all my notes saved. Cause what the fuck? Alright, let's X. So we got it. And I'm starting off the first of the month doing this. I gotta go. Actually, I got somewhere to be, and I'm sitting up here chit-chatting and acting like I don't actually need to keep my pace. But I just wanted to check in and say that I did it. And I'll check back in later. I don't know when the last time I checked in or where I came face to face with this camera, but something special is happening today. Something that at this point I'm realizing I'm a little anxious about. She's about to attend a dance class. Yes, I'm about to attend a dance class. I didn't realize I was becoming anxious about it until about an hour or two ago when I was just like, not really wanting to get dressed. And then I looked at myself in the mirror and I said, I have a dance class today that I signed up for. And I signed up for this last week or maybe the week before, and I was super excited about it, just stoked. And now I'm like, oh Lord, I gotta go. So I gotta go. It's at 6:30, so I got a little bit of time, but not that much. If it's noisy, it's because I'm washing clothes. So there's that. And I also went to Sephora. I'll be giving a bit of a haul later. And yeah, I just wanted to come in and say something rather than nothing. So I've done dance and it was a really good class. I recorded myself. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Granted, a lot of things aren't as bad as I think they're going to be, and yet still I have like anxieties about certain things. As promised, got my bag. Sephora. That's what I'm going to start with. I'm going to start with the things that I already, the trusty dusters around these parts. Pharmacies, green clean makeup milk. Like, that's what really sold it for me, the way it like melts the lashes off. And I wash my lashes. I don't know about you or anyone else, but as for me in this house, I wash my lashes. And that's the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Remover or Cleansing Balm. I think on the package it says that you can use it with other things or as just like a cleansing balm, like maybe like an oil cleanser, but I haven't tried that yet. Next we have Biossance Squalene and Rose Vegan Lip Balm, and this is my keeping the bedroom lip balm. This is my night lip balm, and in which I'm about to apply right now because I ran out, and I didn't know until I ran out how much I actually like this. Like after I finish my skincare routine, this is just the cherry on top. This is just one of them things, like, you know what I mean? Like, a lot of people try to do it like the good sis Ree and Fenty Beauty at Fenty Beauty, and they just can't. Like, you can't replicate the Gloss Bomb Hot Cherry. This particular one will never leave or forsake me. I would show you why, but I just put on my lip balm. So maybe next time when I do my makeup, y'all gonna have to see why. Like, for real, like,
honestly, and this is about to be me going into and off on a tangent. Like the way that it glides on my lips, like it like makes them look like some lip glosses I've tried, other brands that that's what kept me from this. That's really what kept me from this. I was trying different brands just to see, like, you know, sometimes I can be a little bit biased and sometimes there are better options out there, but sometimes my bias serves me correctly. And this is one of the things, this is one of the things where my bias serves me correctly, because there is no other plumping lip gloss. Next, we have another um, Bioscience trusted product. So I got the Innisfree, Innisfree SPF, Tatcha's Silk Canvas Makeup Primer. I'm looking to change my makeup primer. Priming is a prime step to making sure your makeup lasts. So this is Danessa Myricks. I don't know who she is. I can't sit up here and act like I'm a part of the game, because I'm not. But allegedly, she does the things. And apparently, this is one of the things that she does. Like, I barely went across it. And I do want to try it a little bit on my hand. There you go. Like, that's about to look really nice. Like, I'm on Summertime Wine right now from Fenty, that cream blush. But I think for the summer, for the summer, we don't need to be afraid of brightness, baby. We don't need to be afraid of brightness. And I'm not gonna be one to act timid, act shy. That was all of my stuff from Sephora. But if you made it all the way thus far, I appreciate you for watching. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what you like from Sephora. Let me know if you've been hiking. Let me know what activities you getting into for the summertime. If it's dance, if it's tennis, if it's roller skating, if it's swimming. What are you doing, black girl? How are you getting back active, black girl? Like, the sun is not your enemy. Get out there and 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 shake a little something outside of brunch. But I appreciate you for watching. Thank you for joining me here yet another time and at another place on the same platform. I really appreciate it, and I will be back